As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Cardano cost will hit $0.7 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $1 by the center of 2025. Cardano will ascend to $1.5 inside the time of 2028, $2 in 2031 and $0.5 in 2033. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $5.978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $4,653. So the cost diminished by 22% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $55 and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 18%. In 2024, we hope to see $49 per one Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.72. In the final part, the cost would add $11 and close the year at $83. Which is plus 78% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.83 to $1.16, which is up 40%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.83, then dip to $1.74 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.79. That implies plus 70% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $1.16 to $1.82, which is plus 57%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $1.16, then take off to $1.23 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.30. It is about plus 179% from today. 4012 into 4. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $5.978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $63.91, so the cost expanded by 7% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.93 and the year-to-year change plus 56%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 46%. In 2024, we hope to see $83 per one Cardano. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.21. In the final part, the cost would add $18 and close the year at $1.39, which is plus 117% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.39 to $1.96, which is up 41%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.39, then dip to $1.24 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.33. That implies plus 108% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $0.96 to $3.03, which is plus 55%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $1.96, then, at that point, take off to $2.28 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $2.20. It is about plus 244% from today. So 3152 into 4. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $7.21, so the cost expanded by 19% from the very start of the year. The determined Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.80 and the year-to-year change plus 201%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 153%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.35 per one Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $2.34. In the last part, the cost would add $0.10 and close the year at $2.44. Which is plus 243% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $2.44 to $3.88, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $2.44, then take off to $2.55 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2.39. That implies plus 236% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $3.88 to $6.15, which is plus 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $3.88. then take off to $4.11 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $4.34. It is about plus 509% from today. 3s are 1 2s into 4. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $589.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.6 on 737, so the cost expanded by 13% from the outset of the year. The determined Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $161, and the year-to-year change plus 169%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 139%. In 2024, we hope to see 121 per 1 Cardano. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $2.09. In the final part, the cost would add $9 and close the year at $2.18, which is plus 224% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $2.18 to $3.46, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $2.18. Then, at that point, take off to $2.28 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2.14. That implies plus 218% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $3.46 to $5.49, which is plus 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $3.46, then take off to $3.67 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $3.88. It is about plus 476% from today. 2.152s into 4. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $589.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at $5.769, so the cost diminished by 4% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $160, and the year-to-year change plus 168%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 177%. In 2024, we hope to see $110 per 1 Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $184. In the final part, the cost would lose $20 and close the year at $164, which is plus 184% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $164 to $281, which is up 71%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $164, then take off to $175 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $198.